Over 3,000 individuals go missing every year in the United States, even more abroad. We've designed a tool to help find them. Search Party AI. We live in a world filled with constant dangers, disasters, medical emergencies, fires, the need to contact the Coast Guard when someone might go missing at sea. All of these searches require maps and centralized information. The unique tech that we are bringing to the table is the idea that we can take that geodata and plug it into a RAG, relate pieces of information collected online or by searchers, and use it to centralize intelligence for the search process. This process, which we call GeoRAG, will enable us to deliver the best search party software that has ever been created. Not only that, but it has applications far-reaching in industries beyond search. For example, defense, policing, and observation. But let's move on to our case study, Caleb. Caleb is lost in the woods. He doesn't know where to go. And his parents, Mark and Maria, they're devastated. They don't know what to do. But they can't just wander around in the woods. Instead, we're going to start where we need to start, from above. We're going to take a map and break it into quadrants, and then use those quadrants as nodes in our GeoRAG. We'll ingest information about the missing person and give it to the RAG in the same way you might hand out posters to people searching for a missing child. Except in this case, instead of coordinating over the radio, they'll be coordinated collectively by Search Party AI. When they join and sign up with the mobile app, they'll enter their name as a searcher, and the RAG will then have knowledge of them and their location within the search. By ingesting information about the location of the searchers, the theoretical location of the missing person, all notes that the searchers collect, and any information we might find online, Search Party AI then generates instructions through audio and passes them on to the searchers. This saves important time on coordination and allows people to do what really matters, search.
Ellen's search of Quadrant 5 complete. Move on to search Quadrant 13.
Our live display allows users to log the quadrant they're in as they move through quadrants. They're also able to communicate with the LLM in order to indicate any updates or notes they may find related to the quadrant that they're currently in. Those will be stored within the RAG. As situations update, new information is found, or people need help in certain areas, the LLM will direct other searchers to help in certain ways.
Yellow raincoat found on forest floor in Quadrant 4. Ellen, find creek to your south and follow into Quadrant 17.
Since the RAG is built to ingest documents, not primarily geospatial data, we have a secondary database that we use to keep track of the entire physical framework that underlies the search. This exists in Supabase, and it's where we store all of our audio files as well as our images, and allows us to direct people through the app without having to rely too heavily on the RAG for storage. With the help of Search Party AI, Caleb can eventually be found by his parents and the noble searchers who are looking for him. We believe in a world where every lost person is found quickly, using incredible technology that is now at our fingertips. And who knows? Maybe Search Party AI will go even further and take us somewhere out of this world.